abusua yɛda otumfoɔ Nyankopɔn ne otonsu na ɔbɔ awia no ase. Yɛnam na humɔborɔ so ana da ne da nyinaa no nsɛm a yɛhwehwɛ mu ehu sampa ɛnokorɛ no yɛde ɛbrɛ wɔ. Ahemfo international television ana wɔhwɛ no. Baabi a onsa bɛka video biara no fama onyonko na ɔno nso ɛmfama obi na obi ɛmfama obi. Yɛmɛpa kyerɛ sɛ kɔ Ahemfo TV on YouTube na subscribe hɔ bell ne ba click wɔ so na videos no bɛba biara onsa betumi aka. Unya onsa nya ka video no pɛ onso share fama obi na obi nso fama obi na trend fi sɛ yɛtu nkrɔfo bi fo. National agenda hot seat spiritual PM matenase edi a megye so ene etwieba kwabena bomofoɔ. Ahemfo international television Facebook or like page no na nokre na yɛde atudwa no obia ensa entumi enka bi. Yɛda Onyankopɔn ase saa nokredie wɔ asase so anu ɔman mu de ɛyɛ ensanya da Roma ebi wom kama ana elidi nokre enti wo ba egyina sensa we so na yafrɛ antoa yafra paapɛ aboachewa na yasa frɛ ayama tumi no so Onyankopɔn kan ho na de yɛbɛka bia yɛ nokre nko a de ɔmpɛ nokre de panfo so obi ntonsa enhyira ne busuafoɔ obi ntonsa enhyira ne busuafoɔ de ɔmpɛ nokre no ɔmo mafofie ntoata ana amoabam ɔmo mfa ne nko yɛda ase ajebo yɛda yɛ yanka bia nhyem bɛɛ na nsa ne yɛte sɛ Bank of Ghana ɛde abɛto dwa sɛ ɔyɛ clean up exercise no enko wie a banks mako 23 ɛyɛ financial sector no baako 23 ana samre yɛagye ɔmo license anaasɛ ɔmo krataa no afi ɔmo nsɛm. Reasons ɔmo de ba ayɛ deɛ me etwieba no emfaso bi ani so na yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ afi baabi na yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛka sɛ Bank of Ghana omudwuma paa ɛne sɛn. A bank established by the government to undertake the issuance, redemption and control of a country's currency. Omo di sika a yedie no eba. Omo hwɛ ema sika a yedie no circulate ekoba bi a egentre ha. Na obi bia nsa tumi den eka bi. Omudwuma ba kono no. Na afei nso no sika sɛdeɛ inflation nema boɔ ne ade ekoso ne ade ɔmo so toto bibia kama. Ade ba ko a monwa na ma hometie nse function baako say as well as supervision of the activities of other banks. The Bank of Ghana na no kran say yede so bo ne ba bo nkrofo miensa. Bank of Ghana governor no Securities and Exchange Commission any Ministry of Finance asa utia tienie mesi yede so bo ne bo enyumakuo miensa pe na say asoa miensan the Bank of Ghana governor Securities and Exchange Commission commissioner no Ministry of Finance minister no conform miensan ani se kuo miensan ana ene omudi oman enya hwɛ na no kwen se me who said the mean describe say conform miensan one either they are incompetent, unreliable, negligence of duty, lazy. Chese me dwe ho a mente ase na yebema history kakra na ye take them back to enyema bi a asi wo mamu na se nkrofo miensa we omani tuam na ene omo sabeka kire se clean up exercise. What is the relevance of this clean up exercise omo ye? Clean up exercise no omo ye no emfaso anase nimpuntuo a de ema oman ene sen said the only thing that it can promote is to cause fear and panic withdrawals. Ɛdi ehu ɛne abobo ɛne dadwen ɛbɛto the ordinary citizen a onim hwee no ɛso. Yɛbɛkyerɛ the economy no ama nkurɔfoɔ ahu baabi a ɔman no ɛne economy no financial sector baabi a Ministry of Finance, Bank of Ghana, Securities and Exchange Commission ɔmo de ɔman no aduru. Na sɛ wɔkɔto aba a wadwen ho. Na sɛ baabi wɔ na sɛ policy bi obi di ba na yɛsi enye demonstration abɛdi mu bi a wankyerɛ fie ankyerɛ dwɔn. Maame nkae wɔ adeɛ bi wate. Bank of Ghana no, the question is say ɔmo tena ase 90s ɛma piram ɛbɛbu ɔman yi ɛfa so na ɔmo wɔ yi. Bibisa sɛ for how long, how many years ana piram operate yɛ? Whether they were operating with fake license, the company Piram was registered under the Registrar General's Department. They were issued certificate of incorporation against certificate to commence business. Etimi wisao Registrar General hono before they issue certificates no ɛdeɛ na mo hwɛ. Ɔmo nso no ɛdeɛ pa na mo hwɛ ɛwɔ hɔ. Now, Piram ekoye no, yɛde ni esua. Me banka 2000. Me beti Piram enka. Newtown Kotoba bi, ma mo bi ne importem ho de. Cap price ho de. Omo gi ho nyina bo so. Emma nkrofo abrabɔ no omhyebre ebedane. Enu akire ana US tilapia fo nso ebae. Yɛde me wo man mu o. Omo ye advert commercial television. Bit is a UTV, the nation or national television, GTV so anomo yes say advert no. Na me busa o. A state television bit say GTV. Na so obi run commercials so. Eto man timi an request for document bi a kyerɛ sɛ to authenticate their commercials ana. Oman adu baabi a ɛsɛ nkrofo bi wɔ no a they have to sit up. Ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ Kenya sasam kyerɛ nkrofo bi. Somebody can say uwo sika fa kɔpɛ kokoo bi dɔ. Uwo sika wono ɔyɛ no mamuni. Because financial sector na ɛwɔ hɔ ne ebia mla donko ne ɛdaseɛ. Now yɛ no akyire no yanka bia nhyɛmo ana 2014 to 2016 abatoɔ no yɛbɛte sɛ car bi ne nam saa transport car bi ne nam a yɛatwerɛ ho DKM yɛnya nkyerɛmu bia because we are inviting investors obia the leak and weak investor bia ba ɔman mu a obɛnya nkrɔfoɔ nso so ɔmadwen wɔ fam manipulate register companies ama in their name. DKM buyer, US tilapia, Jasper Motors, God is love. A buyer, and also Bruno half from Patem, and Nipa Donna a collapse a big wuye. A big wuye. And chat, and in a new answer. And a MPP a ban buyer, and obey banking sector, and young man question and yet. Tantandia ene wo ho eti wo fa Unibank anu wa close no Beige Bank anu wa close no Capital Bank anu wa close no the obey na amalgamation oye no consolidated no wa consolidate take over commercial bank no so take over eye brofo ne ye ka economics ne ka ho asem do te economics be te de make na se ententem so masa ye ni abre ye ni agro ye ni agro ye bubom kwa keke sa ke hwe clean up exercise e wo man mu ha sei another Bank of Ghana for no ni commissioner no mo ntine ma se ana me say when the man send for mo license, the question is who gave them the license to operate? The mandate is given to Bank of Ghana to supervise and regulate the activities of the financial sector. Bam. The core mandate, one of their core mandates is to regulate, supervise the activities of the financial sector, both the micro and the macro. Microfinance and the macrofinance in Ghana, and so money license, and say or money license, and say time to time also occur regular checks. A question of documents we say, are they complying? Are they complying with the principles of the Bank of Ghana, of the state, of the financial sector? Wunye we nyina na so solid akro ebe kasa wuye clean up exercise 23 microfinance wa close down one. It is rhythmical madness. Ayabodam, you are causing fear and panic. You are causing fear and panic. Udi ehu ene hunhuna e hye nkrofom. Ede ne ka ne basasa no. Commissioner, governor na oda Bank of Ghana no omra biam. On Teniamasia, Messi Omlabium, I have for television. A Triba Kabnabom for EKB. The national agenda. The sector is bogus, is loose, and Obiana Mubikeke. And check, and a number one, ever Jim Profosika. Yet, Abansi was Suma delegation, Airco Dubai. Yawahan and Namwa Sabe PM or Memu. See a man and Blenosa operating for what? Now, Mr. Bank of Ghana, who your police need, you are giving the mandate as a police to arrest and to shut down financial sectors are operating and comply with your rules and regulations. That without a police need to say, I'm robber or baby, answer control baby. Would the police have to come out and issue say, we have not, and I say we have not said, I'm robber or baby. And I say, well, this area, so the area, those living in that area must be very careful. Is that right? That is not right. The police must investigate and arrest them. Na sa wo wa ama anya investigation na so the order be why should not be said nobody should transact or trade with Namwa men's gold. What are you talking about? When they were everywhere and they are everywhere, advertising on commercial TVs, advertising on radio stations, right in front of you, almost advertising, want to me and cash, and then Kofosi Kakwa, Obeka said, what are you talking about? And the only Africa, Ghana, and then Kwasiasam and some food Timisie. Ye more busy catching a month, ye $2 dollars, ye $2 cedis, millions of cedis. No beer, sorry, or yen your pay. Obia sorry or yen your pay. Tete nema ye fufo. I am makai a soldier for buying. Rollins are buying. Yanka so momra de nansu Rollins are buying edisua. Anaka financial sector Jimmy Simua. Bank of Ghana ka otua soja. Securities and Exchange komu nyina mo toa soja. Ministry of Finance okwa keja tomle that. Now, one constructive criticism say when we say ansana UT Bank, Beige Capital, capital banks no ebe close down. They were given awards. They were awarded. Na no kran say ansana be award obiara no. Even National Teachers Award kran no. You have performance appraiser. You call various institutions near the schools near ko teacher ni no ne modern money ade. So to migrate someone from a microfinance to a macro, from microfinance to a bank no, a full bank no, masa ede no mo hwe ye. Me say ede ana Bank of Ghana hwe ye a ode ma ase license no. Anya na je so on hwe me boa. On hwe bibia, anom di namu saa, anom di namu. Ene ko GN Bank ko hwe. Ko ba bi ti say GN Bank na ko hwe. Gold Coast your friend saying Gold Coast Investment GN Bank for at the buy no Gold Coast for no and JN for no mo sika on investment one away. Securities and Exchange Commission mu supervise mo alliances ne saying send them for the year investment no If someone has given you a money for a short-term investment and you also invest it into long-term projects, what are you talking about? Pakwesi Indu. CEO, edia na wo kasa no, edia na wo ka. Bra, anybody yankwala o. Economy mo ntia sense obi a. Me say, me buy investment for a year. Me dey buy 10,000 Ghana cedis aba for investment for a year. Interest amode ma me e be 13% a year. Year na so, me nka say me year roll over, me be sika twintwan. Ene na sika no dey kwa share hen. Anamo special project bi a mo ye no for long etina before discover mo dada o aju sika. Na da if I give you my money for investment short term within a year and the year ends has matured, I'm coming for my money and I'm not getting my money, what are you telling me? Chese u bomi nyansa krono. U bomi nyansa krono. U bomi yan wi aka sema minsu. Ni amma banks no award so uko UT bank office pa pen aho. Na we awards eguo ne Capital Bank awards eguo. Royal Banks no many ade awards ade eguo no mo a. Bra, we bebusa say na awards omo de ma aya na Bank of Ghana no. Is it without their knowledge or they seek their consent before they give the awards? Ultimate appraisal bank without Bank of Ghana's knowledge o. Obia no betimi appraiser no check performance wa ya ade obo no modern bank ne konanim. A omrekwa Bank of Ghana approval. Ti the air can say the cleanup exercise by Bank of Ghana is bogus and useless. The exercise is bogus and useless. The 23 microfinance and asset financial sector now, ya revoke licenses no must be reinstated. They have to reinstate them for the fact say one timi ane wadwuma yi a na se wontumi onyama emfa ngwahye okachire. You are the effort. If you are the effort, you can't carry your load. Emfa ngwahye bifoforo bia emfa ngwahye pivot no. Woni effort no load no ho mfimfini e pivot. Eza wontumi onyama emfa ngwahye mfimfini ho. The Bank of Ghana Ministry of Finance Securities and Exchange Commission omomla bonte meka je say adwuma na edema awom no adu pempen so bia omu ntumi nya biem. Na so omu ntumi ma meka no crunch here dia obi nkasa puduo nhye na mu ehye a ye bedi ne dwo emla asem no ye mom 1 week pe omu ntumi amfa better and further particulars to reason why 23 financial sectors no cleanup exercise was conducted. Now man timi am maye nchemu atosumu and say yenya esika da First Allied, yenya esika da Men's Gold, yenya esika da GN Bank and the other microfinance and the other financial sectors no and any year den no within the shortest possible time no yensa betimi aka ya ye donyame enyema mu odie be ye no hu ebe shock o man no ti mampani na adoda nkwakufu ado Drogba ado life man ado 75 brother president mampani ya dase oya ade pa ene ukeno foreta ni Bank of Ghana governor ne omoma kan na nhia na de ekon airtime na say ye na ye target wo no mahama ye no de a kire su sei ye de be kire so 2020 edi ameje so ani etwie ba kwabena bomofo ahemfo television ni dwumadi ebrel where the economy national agenda hot seat ana mede abrel financial sector no ye biem kakra there ye be say hye bi mebiem na wahu banks ahodo ai wo mamu ni ba bia so odusika eto ene ba bia ni se odusika eto we the cleanup exercise was useless and bogus. YouTube ko subscribe, share na obia ensa entumi enka bi Facebook nso ko like page no, sounds na Instagram, Twitter so on sabetumi aka ahemfo television edi no ye ba ko pe ahemfo international television EKB bam ya crowd as ne bi share bye.